Okay, in this course content, these are all the topics. Day by day, we will see one by one topic as per your convenient time, and so based on your understanding, we can move forward the step by step and topic by topic. Okay.
Yeah.
So already, so introduction to Microsoft Dynamics AX product in the sense here. Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, this product will be useful in so many industries. Okay. Okay. Let me show you the document. So
Yeah.
actually, this is the document in which areas mostly in which industries are mostly using Dynamics AX product. Okay, so
Yes.
see, actually this product is a multi-language and multi-currency based ERP product. Means most of the mostly all the companies and all the countries the product is using, right?
Yes. Yes.
It is
That's right.
this product is not relevant to a particular country, and it is not relevant to a particular region. So this product is entire for throughout world any client can use this product. So because of these reasons, the Microsoft has developed this product in multi languages and multi currency based product in multi ways. Like when we are installing the product, okay, we have an option to choose the language and we have an option to choose the currency part also. So according to the region, we can select the language, and according to the region, we need to select the currency also. So
Yes.
mostly
Yes.
36 countries are using this product. 36 countries mostly.
Yes.
One previous month I have searched in the online. Okay, 86,000 clients are using this Microsoft Dynamics AX product throughout world.
It's great.
86,000 clients, more than SAP clients. More than when we are comparing with SAP, AX product is in high rating according to the client's part
Yeah. Yeah. The
in
flexibility is
industrial ways.
there. So the customization which is available and the product is very flexible.
Yeah, this
So it is
product
not.
because of the product is flexible. So easily, suppose if you have a at least 6 to 7 months of experience, even you can also customize the product. If you have a good knowledge on the customization, if you have a even 6 months of experience, you can also do the customization in the X product. That much easy we have in the X product.
Yeah. That's right.
Okay, so mostly in several public sectors and manufacturing industries, retail industries, and several service industries also using this product. Okay, so when we come
Yeah.
to the which industries are using this product in the sense the financial management, mostly the basic core competition is there in the financial management nowadays. Okay, so this product mostly useful for financial management sector, like see here accounting, budgeting and risk management, procurement and analysis and reporting. Okay, so this product mostly for business solutions. Okay, in the suppose if you take any company example, so in that company obviously we need to maintain the financial structure without any drawbacks and without any confusion. We need to maintain the financial structure. So if there is no proper financial structure and there is no clarity, if there is no clarity in the financial wise, okay, obviously that business will go on up.
Yeah.
So
That's
that
right.
is the reason. Okay, the product has more concentrated on financial wise, and also maintaining the customer data and vendor data and inventory sector. So that is comes under retail sector. So this financial management and retail sectors are very popular in the Dynamics AX product. And also there is a module called Human Capital Management, HCM. So mostly a few companies are using HCM especially. In 2012, they have developed HCM along with payroll. With Indian
Yes. Indeed.
localization and several country localizations, they have implemented the HCM module, Human Capital Management. But 2009 product, in 2009 product, there
It
is
is
no payroll
different. It
product,
is
there is no
different
payroll.
to. Yeah. It is different to you. HR module. What is there in the basic product?
The basic In the basic product in the sense 2009 or 2012 product?
2012, yes.
2012 basic product having HCM and payroll is available.
Yeah, yeah.
HCM payroll is available, but in 2009
Localization is
product,
basically for taxes, right? Localization is basically for different taxes which a specific country is using.
yes,
So it is an advanced version of the tax which is
yes,
not
yes.
available in the standard AX.
The standard AX,
So is it available for payroll? Yeah.
it is not available. Any kind of localization is not available in the basic product. Why? Because now I am using in
No,
India.
no. What I'm asking is it available for payroll also? I mean, as of now, localization is available for taxes.
Hmm.
Yeah, so that's what I am asking, if it is available for payroll and human capital management also. That is, I'm
I
asking.
think payroll, especially for payroll, I think there is no localization part. Why? Because payroll is obviously that is different sector. Payroll.
Yes, that's
For
right.
general ledger, they have implemented the localization kind of thing. Why? Because there is a lot of taxation and everything is there in the AX product. So they have concentrated more than payroll. So they have concentrated on general ledger part, financial structure.
No, because I have worked on Indian localization for a very brief period. So Indian localization is a good. I mean, and European localization I needed to learn. It was a project requirement, but anyhow I didn't get a chance to learn European localization.
Okay.
Yeah.
So simply you can download the product and you can install in some another system localization kind of thing. So you can study in that manner also.
Okay.
But according to my knowledge, the payroll has not implemented very successfully in the AX product.
Okay.
Okay, why? Because this is newly introduced in the 2012 product. I think it is not it is not succeed up to right now. But
Okay. Okay.
when we come to the financial management and retail management and like supply chain management, these three modules are very popular in the Dynamics AX.
Yes. 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 Supply chain is very good. I'm working on that only. Supply chain and finance.
Mm.
So yes.
Okay, so
But
supply chain management in the sense, so that is called a trade and logistics. In 2009 product, they
yeah.
will call trade and logistics, account table, account
Yeah.
receivable,
Yeah.
and
Logistics.
inventory management. Now it is changed as a inventory and warehouse management, especially.
Yes. 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 That I know. I know all the
So a lot of
differences and.
when we come to the functional part, there is a 1500 functionalities are added when we come to know about 2009 to 2012 product. 15,000
Yeah. Yeah.
functionalities are added. So
Mm-hmm.
for the 2009 product, so lot of changes are there in the 2012 product. Even when we come to the technical part also, so table names and class names and everything has changed.
Yes. Yes. That's right.
Well, because they have implemented, I think this product very going to be rock. Means it is very well competitive for the SAP product, according to my knowledge.
Mm-hmm.
People are
Yes.
nowadays so many clients are eager to taking this product as a their own ERP. So many people I have listened. Okay, so many clients are migrating from Navision to AX right now.
Yes. 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 From 2009 to 2012 also
Yeah,
they're
2009 to
migrating.
2012 also they are migrating. Some few people are. So
Mm-hmm.
that is very good for. Actually, the product is very good. When we come to know that the product is very good right now.
Mm-hmm.
2009 also, 2009 SP1 is also a very good product. So that is a bug-free
Mm-hmm.
environment. 2009 SP1 is very bug-free
Yeah. Yeah.
environment. That one
2009 is
also.
bug free and but 2012 is little buggy.
Yeah,
But
2012
again,
at initial stage, so many bugs are there in 2012. Okay, I agree with you.
yes.
2012 when the 2012 product has released, okay, few people are shocked. Why? Because so many bugs are there in the 2012 product. Why? Whenever the
Mm-hmm.
product has changed to 2012 R2, so now it is very good.
Yeah. No, R2 is good. R2
Yeah,
is
R2 is good.
little bug free.
I'm same thing I'm telling you. R2 is very good.
Mm-hmm.
When we come to 2012, and 2012 R2. So 2012 R2 is very good right now. But technical wise, there is no much more difference between 2012 and 2012 R2. According to my
Yes,
knowledge,
yes.
I have seen so many things in 2012 and 2012 R2. The same things are available into technical part, but functional part, I'm not into the deep. But functional part,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
you people know that, I think.
Yes, yes, yes. Functional for finance and for trade and logistics, I have done and I have worked on that.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm quite good in that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and also this is the supply chain management. Supply chain management also completely is for, I think this is the actually functional part, and also project management is
Yes, yes,
included,
exactly.
and retail sector is also
Mhm.
very well established, like POS, your touch
Yes,
screen
yes. Retail is
operating
now
systems.
booming up. Mm-hmm.
In Big Bazaar, Reliance Market, there is a touch screen is available, right? So that is also
Yes,
that kind of touch screen system is also available in the retail sector, according to the Dynamics
yes,
8 product.
yes.
And also the beautiful feature has introduced in the 2012 product is completely business intelligence reporting. So completely
Yes.
no more in the X++ reporting services, X++ reports.
Mhm. Yes.
Completely they have depended on the BI, completely we need to develop the product, we need to develop the reports in the Visual Studio, and again we can deploy the reports to the X environment. That is completely business
Mhm.
intelligence part. So
Mhm.
it is completely for minimizing the risk and improve the management insight.
Yeah.
Suppose
Yeah.
if you developed the uh, this one, so we can able to easily customize the product and develop the product. So simply
Mhm.
anyone can work on this product right now. Sir, one
Yes,
minute, sir.
yes. That.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is completely the functional area. I
Yeah.
think rather than me, you are very
Mhm.
good at functional, so no need to tell you the functional part and everything.
Mhm.
So let us discuss on the technical issues. Okay, so
Yeah.
come to the features of Dynamics X. It is a single database architecture. So why? Because
Mhm.
already we have discussed about the database structure in the previous class. Like so, I can use the single table to maintain entire any company data. Suppose I
Yeah.
want to maintain the employee details. So no need to create for employee table for one company, another employee table for another company. So another table for another company. So if I have a 5 year companies, no need to create 5 employee tables. Only okay,
Yes.
one table can accommodate all the employees data in the X environment.
Mhm.
Okay, that is completely single database architecture. And one more feature is it is easily integrated with other products like Visual Studio and SharePoint kind of thing in features part.
Mhm.
So we have a full-fledged document is there, features and everything. So I will share with you that document. Just you can read that one. Okay, no issues. That is very easy in language. Okay, you can go through the
Yeah.
document. You can easily understand the features, whatever the features. That is in plain language.
Yes.
In
Yes.
that line, in that document, there is no vast technical discussion is not there, but how the
Mhm.
product has implemented, and why the product has implemented in this manner, and everything is documented in that document. Okay, I'll share with you that
Mhm.
one.
Yeah.
So when we come to the architecture part, so I will show you the architecture here. Yesterday I think we have discussed about the architecture, right? Client server architecture.
Yeah. Yeah.
So client server architecture in the sense, See, when we're talking about the real-time architecture, so many three types of architectures are available. So one is a database architecture, another one is a client-server architecture, another one is layer architecture. So the three types of architectures are available in the AX environment. So this is completely how we will install the product, how we will configure the product, how the client the clients will be using the product.
Yes.
Okay, so many scenarios are existed in the back end of the architecture. So client in the sense whatever you are seeing blindly in the front end, okay, that we can call it as a client. But client contains two separate windows. One is for interaction purpose, like graphical user interface. Another window is useful for customization for or development purpose. That is completely
Yeah.
called new development workspace. One is for new workspace, another one is for new development workspace. So client can be divided into two separate areas. One is for completely for end user interface, that is graphical user interface, we can call it as a graphical user interface. Okay, okay, another one is completely development workspace. So we can able to develop the product by using the matrix technology and everything. So that is completely another window. By using that one, we can able to customize the existing product, or we can develop the new module also by using that one. That is completely we should have to work on the AOT itself. So AO is in the
Yeah.
sense application object server. Okay, this object server we cannot see physically. Okay, this will be reside in the server. Like whenever we have installed the product, okay, sometimes we should not install the client directly in the system. Okay, obviously, I can install the client in some another system. I can install the AOS in some another system. I can install the DB in another system. So I will choose according to my organizational structure. Okay, I can choose the different systems for different components installation. So there is no rule for creating. There is no rule for installing the product in these three components in the same system. There is no rule actually. So no need to install these three components in a single system. If you install the three components in a single system, that we can call it as a standalone system, single computer
Okay.
installation. Okay, and so in the real time companies, okay, in the real time companies, simply if you switch on the system, you can able to see the client only, but you cannot open the SQL server, and you cannot connect to the AOS server. By simply you can connect the client uh, on your system, but in your system there is no AOS and there is no database, but these two components are connecting from external systems on your client.
Yeah.
Okay, I will draw the picture here. So how the real time scenario and the real time architecture will be existed under one installation part. Suppose, let's say I have a server called server is there. Okay, I have a server. So in this server, mainly I will install AOS. This is the major component. This is the major component. I will install the server one. Server one. I will install the AOS product, AOS component. Okay, I have one more server is there, that is called server 2. Okay, I will install the database. Okay, I have a, so actually these are two servers. Okay, I have installed one in server 1, I have installed AOS component. In server 2, I have installed DB2, DB. So by using client system, so these are the client systems. Okay, this is client 1.
Okay.
this is client 2, and this is client 3. Suppose let's say I have 3 clients, means 3 developers are working in parallelly. So whenever I need to work on the client C1 and C2, C3, I need to install the client component. Client component. In every system I need to install the client.
Yes.
I need to install in every system I need to install the client component. Without client I cannot open the AX environment in every system. So whenever we are installing the AOS server, okay, it will ask for one port number, okay, one port number, and service name. Okay, one service will be created in the services window and service name, and it will ask the database. So when we are installing the AOS, okay, these 3 options we need to set up when we are installing the AOS part. So it is asking the database here. That means we need to install the database first in server 2. First of all, we can go for a database installation first in server 2. Okay, I need to set up the database first, and whenever I have completed the database installation in the server 2, so I can go for AOS installation. Then only this will complete. Okay, so when we are installing the server in the server 1 AOS, okay, we need to give the port number, service name, and database name. Everything we need to provide. We need to give the options here. Okay, so automatically this AOS will connect to the database. When we whatever the system configuration we have in the server 2, so we need to provide the same server configuration to server 1 also. Server configuration in the sense port number, service name, database name. Okay, so the same properties we need to provide to the server 1 also. When you provide the same port number, service name, database name to the AOS, automatically the server 1 and server 2 will be connected. So whenever we are installing the client component, so we need to provide the same port number, same service name, same database name here. Then automatically this C1 will be connected to server 1 and server 2 immediately. Okay, this is one kind of architecture. Another kind of architecture will be I have only one server. Okay, this is main server. Okay, so in this server I will install one is AOS, another one is database. Okay, I will install these 2 components in this server. In this server I will install 2 components. When we are installing the database AOS here, okay, we need to provide the port number, same thing. Okay, once this will be created, service name, and also we need to provide the database name, which database we need to create in the SQL server. So blindly we can, it will take Microsoft Dynamics 6 database name. So these 3 options, these 3 properties we need to set up when we are installing the AOS and database in the one server system. So whenever we are installing the client component in the client systems, the same port number, the same service name, the same database name, it will ask. So whenever we are providing the same port number, okay, same service name, same database name to the client, so automatically the server and client will be connected. Okay, I will show you the port number, service name, database name here.
So these clients are rich client, you can say.
Yeah, these clients are rich client.
And after that end user will be using rest.
Yes, exactly. This is, see here, this is AX2012 server configuration. Whenever we have created a AOS, the server configuration will be created here. This is client configuration. Microsoft Dynamics AX2012 configuration is there, right? So this is client configuration, and this is server configuration, and this is shortcut for opening the client. Suppose if you install the product in your system, so three shortcuts will be created. One is completely we need to this will be useful for open the AX environment. Okay, this is here Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 server configuration. So just open the server configuration here. When you go for database and see here TCP/IP port, this is the port number 2712. Okay, and see this is the server name and database name.
This is part of installation?
Yeah, this is part of installation.
Okay.
When you install the product in a single system, okay, automatically this server configuration window, this server configuration is automatically installed in your single computer. So this is application object server configurations. See, AOS configuration, this one is completely. So when we are install the product, the server object server instance, see here object server instance is Microsoft Dynamics AX. By this name,
is the server name.
Server name in the sense AOS name. AOS name.
Okay.
AOS name.
Okay.
So for that, so we need one IP, one on TCP/IP port number, and also for AOS installation, we need to specify our computer name. Dynamics-PC is the computer name, our computer name. Okay, and database name, on which database you have installed the product.
Okay.
So this is completely server side administration kind of thing. This is completely.
Okay.
And when you go for another one, see here. So this is client configuration. See, this is local client configuration. So the client has installed, see, server name and instance name, see here, and TCP/IP port.
Yeah.
Okay, when you install the product, automatically, if you install the client component is also installed in your system, automatically this service is created. This client configuration is automatically created in your system. When you open the window, then when you open this window, okay, you can automatically know the client configuration. See here, already I have a server configuration. Okay, so already you have seen the server configuration, server name, instance name, TCP/IP port number, right?
Yeah.
So the same port number is available here also, the same instance name, Microsoft Dynamics AX, and the server name, same server name. So by using this configuration, we are able to connect from client to server system.
Okay.
Suppose you have installed two times. You have installed two AOSs in your system, but client is one. But see, you can install the product n number of times, like database and AOS. Here, you can install the product n number of times.
So the dev environment and the AX instance and the test environment.
Yes.
So
test
these are
environment.
part of yeah.
Yeah, you can. That is the same. Whatever you are saying, that is correct. Okay, test environment, development environment, like pre-live environment, and everything. We need to like team server, test server kind of thing will be there.
Yeah.
Okay, we can install the n number of AOS and n number of databases in a single system, but only we have a chance to install the client only one time.
Yes.
By using that client, we can connect the server. By using that client configuration, we can connect the server. Suppose in this server, I have created a port number like 2712. Okay, and server name.
Service name.
Server name or server name in the sense that is completely computer name. Okay, server name like my PC. Okay, database name. Okay, like MSDAX _ like Reebok. So this is my database name. So I have installed in the server. I have a server, and in this server I have installed AOS and database. Whenever I have installing the AOS and database, I have given the port number 2712, server name myPC, and database name is yeah, ms-Reebok. Okay, in the same server, I'm going to install in the next time the AOS and database. But here I need to give the 2713 port number, and the PC is the same, my PC, and the database name I should change the Reebok to okay Puma. Okay, so for this client I have installed the database on the client name. Okay, in this system, for this instance, okay, I have installed the product in this manner, and also we have a instance name, like I'll show you that one also. Okay, just open the client server configuration. So when you open this one, so this is instance name. Instance name in the sense, one instance will be created in the services.msc, means services window. Okay, services. In the services window, one instance will be created when you install the product. Okay, so that will be installed on the M. See this one.
Yes.
When you open the properties of the service name, so this is the service name actually. See service name AOS, this one 01.
Yes.
One service name will be created. So just copy the service name. Okay, this is the service name. Okay, at the next time you are installing another one, okay, the service name should be like 02. Okay, so by using this configuration, we can identify the real product. But in a server, I have installed two types of instances. For two clients, I have installed the product in 2 times in a single server system.
Okay.
Okay, I have installed 2 times. For one, for the first time, I have installed the product for Reebok client. For the second time, I have installed the product for Puma client. But how can I open the Reebok client at a time and Puma client at a time? By using client configuration file. Okay, I will create a client configuration file. Okay, I will create a client configuration file with these properties. I will create a client configuration like Microsoft Dynamics X2012 is Reebok. Okay, so I have created a client configuration with the properties of 2012. Okay, so let me open the client configuration, then you will understand the scenario here. So this is debugger. Yes, this one is the Microsoft Dynamics AX2012 configuration. Just open the window. This is client configuration. See here in the connection tab, there is a available application object service instance. See, I will provide when we are just go for manage, and you can create a configuration file here just using this one you can create a configuration file. So when you see here, just you can give the configuration name like Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012. Okay, Reebok. Okay, just click on OK. Okay, so right now I have in Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 Reebok line, and just edit the configuration. One second. Edit the configuration. See here, I will change the server name. Okay, already my server is my PC, and instance name I will change the I will give this one service name, database name I will give, server name I will give, port number I will give here, port number and everything I will give here. So automatically that same configuration will be created here. Then I will save the configuration automatically in the front end. When I open the client file, automatically it will connect to the Reebok client. Okay. So that I will show you in the real environment when we are installing two components two times. So I will show you that one also. Okay. But this is the plain scenario. But I am not going to in very depth. Why? Because at initial stage, so this configuration part, I think it is not easy to understand everything here.
Okay. Okay. It is a part of installation process, or
yes, it is. It is the part of installation process. Means completely it is administration side.
Okay.
So this is comes under like client server architecture, Sundar. It is completely comes under client server architecture. So in real time, in real companies, so in the real client side, how we are able to set up the environment.
Okay.
So in this kind of administration, in this manner only, we will able to set up the environment at client side. Okay, any doubts?
No, not at all.
Okay. Okay, fine, no issues, and we can go for another topic. So introduction to content pane. Okay, so let me open the content pane here. So this one we can call it as a content pane. Like so common inquiries, periodic and reports, setup and everything is available here. So I think you know about why these 5 blocks are available in the content pane.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so commonly so setups like for to setting the setups for every module. So minimum rules and regulations part of every
how the module
for
how
every
the
module.
module will behave, and how the module can be so that you can set up the parameters, and how exactly the module will behave. The
Yes.
setup can tell us.
Yes, exactly. So in every module, one form will be available that is called parameter form.
Yes.
Okay, in that parameter form, we need to set up the basic setups for to run the module successfully without any issues. We need to set up whenever you are implementing a new product. First of all, we can go for setups kind of thing.
Yes.
Okay.
So the parameter setup only determines how the module is going to behave.
Yes, yes, exactly. Based on the parameters only, the product or the module will run successfully.
Yes.
Okay, one second, Sundar.
Yeah. You're opening the form, or it is taking time? Okay.
Okay, so these are the company's list. Okay, so this is actually the demo data. So I have installed the demo data in the system. So this is the company's list. Okay, and so this is the like modules kind of thing, everything.
Yes.
So when we come to the, I think you know about these all the things and everything here. Like so when we go for technical issues, when you go for here new development workspace. So this is
Yeah, yeah.
completely development area. So here
I understand.
here we can by using AOT we can customize the product, or we can able to develop the new product also by using this one AOT. Okay,
Yes.
so in AOT so many objects are available, like under the data dictionary we have tables, maps, views, extended data types, enums, license codes, and everything is available. So why these components are under data dictionary especially. So from visual
Mm-hmm.
and words to perspectives, these are completely related to the data type, database.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, database related objects. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
actually, in our AX environment, the main object is table. Am I right or not?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Main object is a table. Without a table, we cannot store the data, and we cannot develop the form
Yeah.
without a table. So obviously 100% we will work on tables only. So tables in the sense we need to work on SQL queries and SQL queries for retrieving the data, and X++ language is useful for customizing the or executing the functionality from the front end part. SQL is
Yeah.
for fetching the data from the backend, or inserting the data to the backend. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
by using SQL, 100% we can able to do three kind of operations only. Any time we can do, like insert, update, or retrieve.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, or another one is delete.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, insert, update, delete, and retrieve process. Okay, these
Yeah.
operations we can call it as a DML operations. But
Mm-hmm.
by using X++ language, we are able to do the functionalities like customizations, and exactly whatever the client is asking for that kind of
Mm-hmm.
scenarios. Okay, we need to club with the SQL queries. By using X++,
Mm-hmm.
we can able to customize the product.
Yeah.
If there is no database operations, we cannot develop or customize the product. If there is no X++, okay, we are handicapped with the X environment.
Yeah.
Completely X++, 100 X++ is the 50% portion is playing, and another 50% is portion is playing by using it by X++, by
Yeah.
server commands.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 50% we need to work on X++, and remaining 50% we need to work on SQL queries. Okay,
Yeah.
so that is the technical issues, and
Mm-hmm.
so many objects are there, like macros, classes, forms, and parts, in the sense like when you open the form. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
let
Mm-hmm.
me open the workers form.
Yeah. So here, okay, fine, you go ahead.
Okay, worker. So I have opened the worker form here. When you are going to selecting a record, okay, so you are able to see the.
Here, I have one query like here in the data dictionary itself, where all the table forms and queries are available.
Hmm.
So that is the data source name. I mean, to call any standard method or any properties or any custom method. So is that the data source, or it is different?
See, Sundar, actually, data source is different, and table is different.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Data source means whenever we are developing a form, so we need to
Mm-hmm.
establish a relation between the form and the table.
Okay, okay, okay.
So we
It's a
need
later
to,
part, right?
yeah, that is later part.
Yeah.
Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, whenever you have a doubt, so you can ask me anything. So I will able to help you out in that issue also. No problem. So that is
Okay.
completely technical issue. I will tell you that.
Mm-hmm.
So when you are familiar
Okay.
with the table creation and form creation, then you will understand automatically what is data source and what is table.
Mhm. Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
So these are completely, see here, worker loans, worker skills, and worker goals and position assignments are there, right here. This one we can call it as a info parts.
Yeah.
Info parts. And whatever the line we are seeing here under the grid control. So this one is called preview pane. Preview pane. See here, one logo is appearing here. The title sales manager, status employed. So Alan Steiner status is displaying under the grid control. This one we can call it as a preview pane. And whatever the data we are seeing extreme right side, this one we can call it as a info parts. And this one is a worker competencies, payroll, compensation, time registration, and everything we can call it as a action pane.
Action pane, exactly.
Action pane.
This is fact box, right? The extreme right box, fact box we can say.
Fact we can call it as a fact box also, but plainly we can call it as a info parts.
Okay, info.
In AOT, this is completely parts. There is no fact box, but that is called info part.
Fine. Okay.
Okay, this is info part, and that is the reason. Fact box, same thing. Whatever you are telling, that is correct. Okay, fact box in the sense, previously in 2012 the name is like fact box, but 2012 I think that it has changed. Info part.
Okay.
So this is a completely action pane. So in 2009 product, in the extreme right side, we need to set up the buttons. In 2012 product, so that button setups kind of thing and everything has placed in the top of the form. Okay, top of the form. This one, these are the action pane tabs.
Yes.
Okay, action pane tabs. These are all the menu item buttons. Menu item buttons. Some see here, delete and refresh, attachments and edit. These are all command buttons. Mainly edit, delete, here refresh and attachment. These four buttons we can. These four buttons are command buttons.
Command. Yes.
Okay, this is a drop dialog button. When you click on the hire new worker, okay, so one drop down will be open.
Yes.
Okay, this one we can call it as a drop dialog button.
Okay.
Okay, this one is also a drop dialog button. When you click on add assignment, this one is also drop dialog button. Okay. When you open a form, so when you click on skills button, it will open one window. It will open one form separately. That one we can call it as a menu item. Menu item. So when you are clicking on a button, if it is opening a form separately, that one we can call it as a menu item. Okay, when you clicking on a button, it will open a form kind of thing. That one we can call it as a drop dialog. So these command buttons are for predefined operations: edit, delete, refresh, attachment, save, new record creation. All are we can call it as a command buttons. Okay, mostly buttons. We have a buttons concept is there. Okay, whenever we have crossed that buttons concept, you will understand the buttons, everything.
Okay.
Okay, any more doubts?
No.
So we can go for the next topic in the next session.